Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing LCX, Next Generation Exchange. It's going to be an interesting one, folks, so make sure to watch till the end. And guys, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, you can also check out the official Crypto Growth partners. For the wallet, we've got Decent. You can check out their products, their biometric wallet, which has got an attractive $70 off. And they've got another product, biometric wallet 2x package, which has got a phenomenal $149 off, only if you follow the link in the description box below. By the way, folks, Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, so do check it out. Anyways, let's see what's happening with the LCX in real time, any new information that we can get our hands on. I found a really interesting post from none other than Prince of LCX. Look at this, a really interesting post over here, guys. It is a must read for every LCX holder. If you are new to LCX, you will get an overview of LCX and the connection to tokenization. Here you will learn about products, container model, TVTG, and number 3, tokenization. A really interesting post for those that are new to LCX, as well for those that the veterans that want to refresh their memories and want to know what LCX is all about in a nutshell. A really decent post over here from Prince of LCX. So let's see what this is all about. Look at this. LCX, Next Generation Cryptocurrency Exchange. Look at this. LCX, the Liechtenstein Crypto Assets Exchange, is a regulated service provider headquartered in Liechtenstein with a technology hub in India and over 100 employees worldwide. The company aims to bridge the gap between blockchain and traditional finance through tokenization and trustless technologies. So like other utility projects, LCX also wants to lower the gap between blockchain and traditional finance and integrate it, becoming that midway, that gateway to connect both the worlds, guys. So the company was founded in 2018 with its first product, the trading terminal, which could be connected to various central exchanges. This allowed other exchanges to be controlled and traded via the terminal. By the end of 2020, LCX received licenses to further expand its service. The most important licenses were aimed to be a regulated exchange. So this is the most important point for LCX. Meanwhile, when other exchanges were growing and expanding and were when basically providing services, LCX was much more focused on licenses and being a regulated platform for digital assets, for tokenized assets, and a lot of different avenues as well. In addition to the exchange, however, LCX is working on other products or is linked to them as well. So look at this, which are intended to complete the tokenization ecosystem like a puzzle. So look at this. They've got number 1, the exchange. They've got the STO launchpad. They've got the Liechtenstein protocol. They've got LCX Vault, LCX Oracle, and LCX Bank. So it is creating this entire infrastructure over here for tokenization, for exchange, for all sorts of purposes, and it will be all regulated. So look at this, MiCA ready. The MiCA laws are based in Europe, and in my opinion, if LCX legitimizes itself in Europe, from there on forward, it is going to be expanding all over the globe, guys. It's going to be huge, in my opinion, in the future. If things pan out the way they are supposed to. Obviously, any project can succeed or fail. Anything can happen. Look at this. They're trying to tokenize diamonds via Diamonds project as well. LCX is working as a guarantor, a validator, and keeping those diamonds, real world diamonds, in their vault. Look at this. Tokenized diamond trading, insured and redeemable. So they're tokenizing. They're starting with being a validator for diamonds, and from here on forward, they're going to be tokenizing a lot of stuff. Look at this. This is this tokenization and STO, listing at LCX, asset tokenization, investor onboarding. Compliance is something that they focus on, compliance and regulator registration, token creation, legal protection, marketing, legal documents. So everything by the book. They've got the exchange, which will have tokenized asset trading aside from normal cryptocurrency trading, as well as other trading services as well in the future. Separated assets, custody, digital and tokenized assets, securities, separated assets. The Liechtenstein Protocol is an authorized smart contract that can represent ownership of securities. This is the Liechtenstein Protocol. It's got its own process as well. Look at this: the tokenization, compliance, asset and identity management, cap table. Awesome, guys. In my opinion, what differentiates, not in my opinion, but obviously in the opinion of every proponent and advocate of LCX, the differentiating point between LCX and any other crypto exchange is this: the compliance and regulatory focus. This is huge in my opinion. This goes a long way because they have created a foundation that is really abiding by the law, by the book. Look at this: physical validator, token generator, token issuer, TT exchange service provider, TT identity service provider, all compliant, all regulated, TT token depository, TT price service provider. In my opinion, this is great. The exchange was officially launched on January 5, 2021 with a 2-week test phase beforehand. The exchange is based in Liechtenstein and is regulated and licensed there. Look at this. Tokenization of assets is going to be huge because if you know about the phenomenon of fractionalization, tokenization is sort of that you basically own a small piece of a commodity or an asset, and be it physical asset or real estate or any luxury good. Pardon me, guys. My allergy is going really bad right now. Since a month, I've been suffering from it, so bear with me. Tokenization deals with intellectual property as well, utility, real estate, and different other assets as well. So look at this: service providers, legal certainty, civil law, corporate law, due diligence law, token functions, legitimization, liberation, transportation. This is great in my opinion. Relationship model. They're doing everything by the book. This is what differentiates LCX from any other project, guys. A really neat post over here from Mr. Prince of LCX. So to summarize, look at this. The Launchpad tokenization platform serves the purpose of launching tokens and securities, as well as tokenizing assets using the container model. Number 2, the exchange serves the trading of crypto assets, the on and off ramping of fiat currencies, as well as the future trading of securities and tokenized assets. LCX Vault serves the purpose of securely storing the respective assets at LCX. Okay, so let's see what's happening with the community as well. LCX wants to burst. If you do not know, LCX has grown a lot in recent weeks, folks. I think it is on its way to test 40 cents level, if I'm not wrong. The last I checked, it was trying to burst. Haven't seen it exactly where it is at the moment, so look at this. This is November 27th, by the way. LCX surges, adding nearly 90% to its prices since the attached analysis. Great. Anyone shorting LCX is about to get their faces melted off. I like 45 cents as a target in the near term for starters, but we might be at 60 cents in a day or two. This is great. The future leading regulated exchange. Anyways, folks, let me go and try to treat this curve a bit, and you guys can check out Prince of LCX's post and what LCX is doing in real time as well. Optimism is in the air, so in my opinion, really great time to be researching these utility projects. They can be huge in the future, folks. Anyways, what do you guys think about LCX and the next generation exchange that it promises to be? Do you believe in it or not? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.